Hi guys, Ancient Warrior again. Welcome back to Prepping USA. Let's do a little housekeeping. If you like what I'm talking about, what I'm saying, go down to the bottom here, press the little red button that says subscribe, and if you want to be notified when I put something out, press the bell icon. Medications I think you need to have around the house. Now, let's talk about why I think you need to have some of this stuff around the house. As we've seen in some of these other countries, this virus starts out slow, but it snowballs like the dickens. So folks, one of the reasons I'm telling you to have stuff in your home is because you don't know. If it snowballs a lot faster than what we're ready for, our hospitals will be overrun. And it's not fun to be trying to get into a hospital that's closed. Now, let's talk about meds I think you need to have around you. Let's start with the fact that I've already told you you need fever reducers. Whether it's aspirin or Tylenol, Advil, or what. You need a good fever reducer. Number 2, you need a decongestant. I've been reading and I've been told that this virus comes with a respiratory problem. Almost like pneumonia. Folks, you need to have stuff that will help decongest you and dry up all that phlegm. That's where I tell people to get a hold of methylatum or some other menthol, eucalyptus, and camphorated oil combination. Whether it's a Vicks or Equate or what. If it smells like eucalyptus, you get it, put it on your chest, put it up under your nose. Breathe it. Essential oils. Get spearmint. Get eucalyptus. Camphor oil. Lemon oil, and breathe it. Get it going into your home and breathe it up. Now, can this stuff hurt you? I guess it could if you drink it, but since I'm telling you to put it into a pot and do it that way, I don't think so. My grandmother used to have asthma. And before they had the asthma medications that they've got now, they used to put a little eucalyptus oil, camphorated oil, and I believe it was clove oil. And she would put it on a rag. They would put it on a mask type deal, and she would breathe it in. And it would help relax her bronchial tubes. You know, if we get a full shutdown in this country, then this may be the only way for those of you who have breathing problems. So, with that being said, folks, my next video, we're going to discuss this a little further on one topic only. All right? With this being said, y'all have a good day. Have a blessed day. And remember, it's better to have and not need than need not have. I'm the Ancient Warrior, and I'm out.